Hello everyone. I'm super excited to reconnect with all of you today. कहते हैं गलतियां इंसान को आगे बढ़ने के लिए एक सही डायरेक्शन देती हैं, whereas गलत फहमियां उसी सक्सेस की डायरेक्शन में एक बाधा क्रिएट करती हैं. So I want to ensure that after watching today's video, at least आपकी लाइफ में, आपके माइंड में वो 3 myths of success, वो 3 गलत फहमियां दूर हो जाएं and you emerge stronger, you emerge more powerful and more focused towards your success. Alright, so let's begin. Myth number 1. In today's world of internet, you don't need a guru to succeed in life. बहुत से लोगों का ये नोशन, ये एक फॉल्स बिलीफ बन चुका है कि सारा ज्ञान तो गूगल बाबा से मिल जाता है, तो एक टीचर की जरूरत ही क्या है. वेल, अगर ऐसा ही होता तो ना ही ये स्कूल्स होते, ना यूनिवर्सिटीज बनती, और हम किसी बुक स्टोर में या लाइब्रेरी में जाते, वी वुड हैव बोरोड अ बुक, जस्ट स्टडीड इट ऑन आवर ओन and we would have been successful, isn't it? Well, it doesn't really happen like that. बहुत से लोग ये भी सोचते हैं कि once you're done with your school or college, you don't really need a teacher in your life anymore. Well, the fact is, you need a coach, a mentor, a trainer, a guide throughout your life. आप लोगों ने एक कहानी बचपन से सुनी होगी, कछुए और खरगोश की कहानी, isn't it? While there have been so many versions around this story in today's world, let me share what I think about it. ये तो कछुए को भी मालूम था और खरगोश को भी मालूम था कि रेस जीतनी कैसे है. Now the striking difference was that while the rabbit just knew that he needs to run to win the race, the tortoise had a guidance. कछुए के पास एक मूल मंत्र था जो उसको गुरुजी ने सिखाया था, और वो क्या था? रुके ना तू, थके ना तू, अपने पथ पर अग्रसर, चलता जा, बढ़ता जा, मिलेगी मंजिल, हो बेफिकर. So the tortoise knew that mere efforts or mere relentless hard work is not going to fetch success. What is really important is the continuous drive, the motivation, and the fact that even when you are progressing on your path of success, उस सक्सेस को अपने दिमाग पे हावी ना होने दें. So ये मूल मंत्र जो वो गुरुजी से लेके चला, that is what ensured that he won the race against the rabbit. Now the challenge is, the problem doesn't really end here. जो लोग ये समझते हैं, इस चीज को भली भांति पहचानते हैं कि लाइफ में एक टीचर की, एक गुरु की अहमियत क्या है, वो भी कहीं ना कहीं एक चक्रव्यूह में फंस जाते हैं. Which brings myth number 2, which is that you need to find the best teacher to learn something in life. Guys, there is nothing like a best teacher. I know that in today's world, we are so obsessed with warranty period, trials, money back offers, free demo classes nowadays, unfortunately. I know आप में से काफी लोग सोचेंगे कि इसमें बुराई क्या है. बुराई कोई नहीं है. The only striking difference is, if you're really scouting for the best teacher, trust me, you will never find one. Because there is nothing like a best teacher. Every teacher is amazing in themselves. You'll be surprised to know that majority of my coaching, which I took for my CA exams, I took them from those teachers who had themselves never done any such competitive exam in their life. And believe it or not, I was able to crack my CA exams in the very first attempt. Which brings me to the last myth about success, which people still have on their mind, and that is, you need to be your teacher's favorite student in order to learn everything from them. For a teacher, every student is equal and important. फर्क हम करते हैं एज अ स्टूडेंट, टीचर्स नहीं. हमें ढूंढना है वो बेस्ट टीचर, हमें चाहिए वो बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज, बेस्ट गाइडेंस, बट अ टीचर नेवर डिफरेंशिएट्स. जरूरत क्या है? द हंगर, द ड्राइव, वो भूख आप में होनी चाहिए कि आप अपने टीचर से कितना एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, कितना सीख सकते हैं. क्योंकि अगर सारा ज्ञान किताबों में या इंटरनेट में ही छुपा होता तो ट्रस्ट मी, एकलव्य किताबें पढ़ता, ना कि गुरु द्रोणाचार्य को दूर से ही ऑब्जर्व करता और उनसे बिना ऑफिशियली, बिना फॉर्मली वो इतना बढ़िया और इतना बेहतरीन धनुर्धारी बन पाया. सो इसी के साथ I want to say just one thing. Remember, behind every successful person, there is a teacher. And as we celebrate Teachers Day, I just want to wish all the teachers out there in this world a very happy Teachers Day. And thank you so much for being that guiding light in my life, because whatever I am today, it's just because of you. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video and really enjoying it. Do like and share and subscribe to my channel and spread this knowledge, because trust me, you can be a teacher to someone else who really needs it in their life.